Get ready, tech fans. This is Qualcomm Pulse, and we're diving headfirst into the biggest stories shaping your digital world. We've got mind-blowing AI breakthroughs, massive market shifts, and stock market movers that you need to know about. Stick around, you won't want to miss this. First up, we're talking artificial intelligence and the companies vying for dominance. While Nvidia has been the undisputed king of AI infrastructure, is it time to look beyond the giant? We're breaking down why advanced micro devices and Broadcom could be the unexpected players set to capitalize on the evolving AI landscape, especially as the market shifts from training to inference. Get ready for a deep dive into these two AI contenders. Then, we're shifting gears to the latest analyst insights. Zacks Investment Research has dropped its top stock reports, and we're highlighting the crucial updates on tech titans like Nvidia, Meta Platforms, and Alibaba. What are the experts saying about their performance, their challenges, and their future growth in this fast-paced market? We've got the breakdown. And get this, Oracle's record-breaking earnings and massive AI infrastructure forecasts are sending shockwaves through the entire industry, even pushing Nvidia to new all-time highs. We'll explore how this surprising surge is impacting the broader AI market. Plus, we'll touch on the latest Dow Jones futures, with Nvidia, Meta, and Tesla making big moves ahead of the crucial Fed meeting. You don't want to miss these insights. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Forget Nvidia. These two AI stocks could be your next big win. Nvidia has absolutely dominated the AI chip market, with its GPUs and CUDA software creating an almost insurmountable advantage, making it the largest company in the world. But with such massive success, could there be overlooked opportunities elsewhere? We're diving into advanced micro devices and Broadcom, two companies poised to make significant moves in the AI space, particularly as the industry transitions from AI model training to inference. While Nvidia reigns supreme in training, the demand for inference, the actual use of AI models, is exploding. This is where AMD is making its mark. They've already secured significant inference workloads with major AI model operators and are used by 7 of the top 10 AI companies. Because inference doesn't require the same complex software ecosystem as training, and cost efficiency becomes paramount, AMD's Broadcom platform and competitive pricing give it a real shot at gaining market share. Even small gains for AMD, starting from a much smaller base than Nvidia, could lead to substantial returns. Broadcom is taking a different, yet equally compelling, approach. Instead of off-the-shelf GPUs, they are the go-to partner for designing custom AI chips, or ASICs. Their success with Alphabet's Tensor processing units paved the way for deals with Meta Platforms and ByteDance, representing a potential $60 to $90 billion market. The recent news of a massive $10 billion order, widely believed to be from OpenAI, and future collaborations with Apple highlight Broadcom's critical role in powering the next wave of AI innovation. These custom chips offer superior power efficiency and lower costs for specific AI tasks, making Broadcom a key player in the growing inference market. While Nvidia remains the powerhouse, the landscape is shifting. The growing demand for inference and the increasing need for custom AI solutions present massive opportunities for both AMD and Broadcom. Investors are taking note, with many seeing these companies as prime beneficiaries of the AI boom. Don't go anywhere, because the AI revolution is just getting started. Next, we'll break down the latest analyst insights on Nvidia, Meta, and Alibaba. Zacks Investment Research drops top stock reports, Nvidia, Meta, and Alibaba under the microscope. Get ready for a crucial update straight from Zacks Investment Research. They've released their latest analyst reports on some of the biggest names in tech, and we're breaking down what they're saying about Nvidia, Meta Platforms, and Alibaba. This is your inside look at the expert analysis shaping the market. Nvidia's data center business is booming, fueled by the relentless demand for AI and high-performance computing. Their Hopper and Blackwell GPUs are powering the generative AI revolution, driving massive revenue growth. However, Zacks points out potential headwinds. Limited Blackwell GPU supply and rising production costs could impact margins. Plus, the the ongoing US-China tech tensions and competition from rivals like AMD remain key concerns for investors. Meta Platforms is showing strong user growth across the board, with its core offerings like Instagram and WhatsApp seeing increased engagement. They're also heavily leveraging AI to enhance their platform. The big story is Meta's massive planned investment in AI development over the coming years. The main caution? Monetizing these advanced AI services could take considerable time, posing a challenge for near-term returns. Alibaba's first quarter fiscal 2026 results showed modest revenue growth and a significant surge in net income, bolstered by strong performance in its international commerce businesses. They maintain a healthy liquidity position. However, Zacks notes that competitive pressures and rising operational costs in key segments are impacting earnings. Macroeconomic uncertainties and unfavorable currency fluctuations also present risks. The market is buzzing with these analyst insights, with investors closely watching how these tech giants navigate growth opportunities and potential challenges. The performance of Nvidia, Meta, and Alibaba will be critical indicators for the broader tech sector. Stay tuned, because the AI market's biggest disruptor might surprise you. Next, we reveal how Oracle's massive AI surge is making waves, even for Nvidia. Oracle's earnings explosion fuels Nvidia's all-time highs. Get ready for a stunning revelation. Nvidia's stock just hit all-time highs, but the direct cause might not be what you think. A surprising surge from another tech giant is sending ripples across the entire AI industry, directly impacting Nvidia's valuation. Oracle, a company not typically in the AI spotlight, just posted blockbuster earnings that have sent its stock soaring. CEO Safra Catz announced 4 mega contracts in the first quarter alone, catapulting their backlog to an astonishing $450 billion, $4 times larger than last year. Their Oracle Cloud Infrastructure, a division directly benefiting from AI spending, is projected to see a staggering 77% revenue increase this year, reaching $18 billion, and is forecasted to hit an incredible $144 billion by 2030. This news is a massive win for Nvidia investors. Oracle's explosive growth and optimistic long-term forecast underscore the insatiable demand for AI infrastructure. Since Nvidia provides the essential GPUs that power virtually all AI processes, good news for Oracle's cloud services directly translates into good news for Nvidia's hardware sales. This symbiotic relationship explains Nvidia's recent surge to record highs. Analysts and the market are clearly reacting to this powerful demonstration of AI's expanding economic potential. Oracle's performance is a clear indicator that the AI infrastructure boom is far from over, creating a rising tide that lifts all boats, especially those supplying the critical components. But the market's momentum doesn't stop there. Next, we'll look at the latest Dow Jones futures and what's ahead for Nvidia, Meta, and Tesla before the big Fed meeting. Dow Jones futures, Nvidia, Meta I buy points as Tesla races ahead, Fed meeting looms. As we gear up for a pivotal week, the stock market is already showing major movement, with Dow Jones, S&P 500, and Nasdaq futures all set to open Sunday evening. The Federal Reserve meeting is the headline event, but the rally seen this past week was broad, with AI leading the chart. Nvidia and GE Vernova have both forged impressive new bases, indicating strong upward momentum. Shopify and Howmet Aerospace are also showing signs of strength, suggesting a healthy market sentiment across various sectors. Meanwhile, Tesla continues its race, hinting at significant developments or investor interest. This pre-Fed activity suggests investors are positioning themselves ahead of key economic announcements. The broad nature of the rally, spurred by AI advancements but extending to other sectors, points to a potentially robust market environment. Keep a close watch on these key stocks and futures as the week unfolds. The market is clearly energized by recent tech breakthroughs and anticipation of economic signals, creating a dynamic trading landscape. And that's a wrap on today's top stories. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for all the latest. And that's a wrap on today's Pulse. We covered advanced micro devices and Broadcom's AI potential, unpacked Zacks' latest reports on Nvidia, Meta Platforms, and Alibaba, saw Oracle's earnings skyrocket Nvidia, and checked in on the latest Dow Jones futures with Nvidia, Meta, and Tesla making moves. If you found this info valuable, smash that like button, subscribe to Qualcomm Pulse for more, hit the notification bell so you never miss an update, drop a comment below telling us what you think, and follow us on all our social channels. We'll see you next time.